Then he forcefully takes her to the room. But the plumber is actually an undercover police officer. He calls his boss and tells her everything. A lady police officer in plainclothes comes to the office. She meets the manager and says, "I need a job here." The manager replies, "They don't treat us well here, don't work here." While this is happening, the boss gets angry at the manager again. He tells the new lady police officer, "Okay, you'll get the job, but you have to listen to me." The police officer says, "Okay." Then, when the boss tries to harass her, she kicks him hard and makes him fall. The plumber comes in and arrests the boss. The boss shouts, "I will see all of you later." But the police officer says, Yeah, big talker. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.